This video is the continuation of the lesson for class 10th for the subject of chemistry, topic numericals, based on exercise 5B, which is covered in chapter 5, mole concept and stoichiometry, and is being submitted to you on 12th April 2021. So students, kindly open the page number 84 of your chemistry notebook. Through there, we will discuss some numericals based on the concept which we have discussed here. So, just see the question number 5. Find the number of molecules in 73 gram of HCl. So, for this, you just observe the page number 4 of the notes, which is sent on 12th April 2021. The solution is given over here. So, in the first part of the question 5th numerical, the number of molecules in 73 gram of HCl we have to calculate. So, for this, gram molecular mass or molar mass, that is the same thing, of HCl is equals to 1 plus 35.5, that is equals to 36.5 gram. I hope that you are understood how to calculate the GMM, because we have discussed it earlier. Okay, then gram molecular mass, that is equals to 36.5 gram of HCl, that is equals to 1 mole, means that is equals to 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecule. So 36.5 gram is equals to 6 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules we have written over here. So therefore 1 gram is equals to 6 into 10 raised to the power 23 divided by 36.5 molecules. And therefore 73 gram, what we will have to do? We will multiply this term with 73. Means 6 into 10 raised to the power 23 divided by 36.5 into 73, because we have calculated the 73 gram of HCl. So, by cancelling it, the result will come 12 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules. Now, we will do the B part of the question number 5. So, weight of 0.5 moles of O2. So, 1 mole of O2, that is equals to molar mass, that is equals to, that 16 into 2, that is equals to 32 gram, right? Therefore, 0.5 mole of O2, that is equals to 32 into 0.5, that is equals to 16 gram, right? Now move on the C part. Number of molecules in 1.8 gram of H2O. For this also, the gram molecular mass of H2O is 1 into 2 plus 16, that is equals to 18 gram. That is equals to 1 mole, and is equals to 1 mole is equals to 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecule, that So for 18 gram, that is equals to also 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules. And therefore 1.18 gram, what we will do? This 18 will come in the denominator and we will multiply it with the 1.8. So it will become 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 divided by 18 into 1.8, that is equals to 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 22 molecules. Now move on the D part. Number of moles in 10 gram of calcium carbonate. For this, we have to calculate the gram molecular mass of calcium carbonate. So it is 40 plus 12 plus 16 into 3, that is equals to 100 gram. So 100 gram of calcium carbonate, that is equals to 1 mole. And you know that 10 gram calcium carbonate, we have to calculate the 10 gram. So we will write here 10 gram of calcium carbonate, that is equals to 1 by 100. 100 will come in the denominator side and we will multiply it with 10. Similarly, it will come 0.1 mole as we did the earlier parts, C, B, A, like this. Okay. Now move on the E part. We have to calculate the weight of the 0.2 mole of H2 gas. For that also, similarly, we have to calculate the GMM of H2, that is 1 into 2, that is equals to 2G is equals to 1 mole, and therefore 0.2 mole is equals to 2 into 0.2, that is equals to 0.4 gram. I hope that you have understood this. Now we will discuss the F part. In this, we have to calculate the number of molecules in 3.2 gram of SO2. For this, we have to calculate the gram molecular mass of SO2, which is 32 plus 16 into 2, that is equals to 64 gram is equals to 1 mole. Then 64 gram is equals to 1 mole, that is equals to Avogadro number, that is 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules. Therefore, 3.2 gram is equals to 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 upon 64 into 3.2. We have to multiply it with, okay? Then it will, after cancelling, after calculate it will come 3.01 into 10 raised to the power 22 molecules. Now, see the question number 8 from your chemistry notebook. Here we calculate the number of particles in 0.1 mole of any substance. किसी भी substance का, any substance का, we have to calculate the 0.1 mole of any substance, number of particles. It is a part. So here 1 mole is equals to, 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 particles. So therefore 0.1 mole is equals to 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 into 1. So that is equals to 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 particles. And it's B part, but we have to calculate hydrogen atoms in 0.1 mole of H2SO4, which is sulfuric acid. So 1 molecule of H2SO4 contains 2 atoms of hydrogen. Then 0.1 mole is equals to 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 22 molecules will contain, that is equals to 2 into 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 22, that is equals to 12.04 into 10 raised to the power 22. After calculating this term, we will observe this hydrogen atoms, right? Now we will discuss the third, which is C part of question number 8, that molecules in 1 kg of calcium chloride, that we have to calculate. Similarly, we have to calculate the GMM of CaCl2, that is 40 plus 35.5 into 2, that is equals to 111 gram. And 111 gram, that is equals to 1 mole, is equals to 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules. And to calculate the 1 kg or 1000 gram is equals to 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 into 100,000 by 111, because kg, we have to convert the kg into gram, and to convert the kg into we multiply it with 1000. So here we will multiply this equation, that is 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 upon 111 into 1000. So it will become 4.4 into 10 raised to the power 24 molecules. Now see the question number 9, B part. How many grams of HCl are present in 0.1 mole? Similarly, we have to calculate the GMM of HCl, that is 1 plus 35.5, that is equals to 36.5 gram is equals to 1 mole. Therefore, 0.1 mole is equals to, we will multiply the 36.5 into 0.1 and it will come as 3.65 gram, right? Now just see the question number 10. A part, at STP 5.6 liter of a gas is 12 gram. So GMM, relative molecular mass of gas, we have to calculate. We know that GMM is equals to 22.4 liter at STP, that we have studied earlier. So if 5.6 liter is equals to 12 gram, therefore 22.4 liter is equals to 12 by 5.6 into 22.4. After calculating this term, we will get 48 gram. So molecular mass of the gas is 48 gram. Now we will discuss the B part. So volume occupied by 2 moles of SO2, which is sulfur dioxide at STP. Okay? We know that 1 mole is equals to 22.4 liter at STP. Therefore, 2 moles is equals to 2 into 22.4, that is equals to 44.8 liter at STP. Now observe, or you can see the question number 11 from the chemistry notebook. Here the A part is calculate the number of moles of CO2 which contains 800 gram of O2. So for this, GMM of CO2 is equals to 12 plus 16 into 2, that is equals to 44 gram, is equals to 1 mole, and 1 mole of CO2 contains 32 gram of O2, or we can write 32 gram of O2 is present in, that is equals to 1 mole of CO2. Therefore, 8 gram of O2 is present in, that is equals to 1 by 32. We will multiply the 1 by 32 into 8. Then it will come 1 by 4, or we will divide it the 1 by 4, that it will become 0.25 moles of CO2. Now move on the B part of the question number 11. So here methane in 0.80 gram of methane. So GMM of CH4, that is 12 plus 4, that is equals to 16 gram, that is equals to 1 mole, as you know. Therefore 0.80 gram is equals to 1 upon 16 into 0.80, that is equals to 0.05 moles. Now just see the question number 12, or you can say the numerical from your chemistry notebook. So here what we have to do, calculate in A part, calculate the mass of an atom of oxygen. So you know 1 mole of atom, that is equals to 6 into 10 raised to the power atoms, that is equals to atomic mass of oxygen. So here 6 into 10 raised to the power 23 atom, that is equals to 16 gram. Therefore 1 atom is equals to 16 by 6 into 10 raised to the power 23, that is 2.66 into 10 raised to the power minus 23 gram. And in B part, we have to calculate the mass of an atom of hydrogen. So 1 mole atom is equals to 6 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms, that is equals to atomic mass of hydrogen. And 6 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms, that is equals to 1 gram. Therefore 1 atom is equals to 1 upon 6 into 10 raised to the power 23, that is equals to, on solving it will come 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 24 gram. And its C part, a molecule of NH3. So GMM of NH3 is 14 plus A 3 is equals to 17 gram. So here 6 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules is equals to 17, and 1 molecule, that is equals to 17 upon 6 into 10 raised to the power 23, that is equals to 2.8 into 10 raised to the power 23 gram. Now move on the D part. Here we have to calculate the 10 raised to the power 22 atoms of carbon. So for 1 molar atoms is equals to 6 into 10 raised to the power 23 atom, that is equals to 12 gram, right? So therefore 10 raised to the power 22 atoms is equals to 12 by 6 into 10 raised to the power 23 into 10 raised to the power 22, that is equals to 0.2 gram. You just have to calculate these numericals, right? Now we will discuss the E part, in which we calculate the mass of molecule of oxygen. For this, the 1 mole is equals to 6 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules, that is equals to 16 into 2, that is equals to 32 gram. Therefore 1 molecule is equals to 32 by 6 into 10 raised to the power 23, that is equals to 5.3 into 10 raised to the power minus 23 gram. Now move on the F part of the question number 12. What we have to calculate here? Mass of 0.25 gram atom of calcium. So 1 gram of atom of calcium, that is 40 gram. And 0.25 gram atom of calcium is equals to 40 into, we will multiply it with 0.25 gram. And for after calculating it, it will come 10 gram. Students, now I will give you 3 very short questions. you will get a 3 minutes break to write the answers. The questions are, question number 1, what is the relative molecular mass of CH3COONA? Question number 2, if substance is a gas, then 1 mole is equals to dash. Question number 3, 1 mole of atom is equals to dash. Students, now pause this audio for 3 minutes and write the answers in your chemistry notebook. I hope you all have written the answers by now. Let us check the answers now. So answer number 1 is 82U. Answer number 2 is 22.4 liter at STP, which is standard temperature pressure. And the last answer number 3 is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms. Students, now I am ending the lesson for today by giving instructions and homework. So instructions are, you all are required to listen the audio again and revise or practice the numericals which we have done today. And homework is, do question number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 from exercise 5B given on page number 84. Thank you and have a nice day.